Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Dark Pool Daily Whisper for June 25th, 2019. All right, so we're going to start with the SPY. Really key level to watch, you guys. So important is this 293.12. We came down pretty close to it this morning and bounced. That is the biggest dark pool level, 10.5 million shares. If we close below that, yeah, that's going to be bearish for sure. So watch that. We're going to be bullish though above 294. If we can break above that, I could see a move up to 295 at least. But I will be bearish below 293. And that first trade is going to be a retracement trade down to this 8 exponential moving average at 292.44. The E-minis, let me just punch up those guys. We're going to be bullish above 29.50. You can see we have these two moving averages, 200 SMA and EMA. They're so powerful on a 5-minute chart, and you can see why this morning we went right to it, couldn't break above it, pulled back, went right to it. Really the third test coming up right here, but 29.50, really key level. If we break above that, I have a couple of targets. Bearish below 29.42. If we break below that level, then I can see a retracement trade again back down to that 8, where there should be computers that are loaded to buy. Let's go to the Russell. This is the weakest of all the indexes right now. You can see we've closed below the 8 EMA. We had very big prints yesterday. I posted those up pre-market at 2.4 million, 154.25. We are below that right now. Another real-time print, 153.30, 1.3 million. We are below that right now. So this is the weakest. I am bearish below 152 if you're not in this already on the short side. Bullish only above 153.40. But that would be a retracement probably back up to those prints. Let's go to the QQQ. Bullish above 188.62. Bearish below 187.50. We also had a couple of real-time prints yesterday as well. 188.28 and 188.50. Let's go to gold futures. Holy cow, we've been killing this thing. Definitely reminds me of 2016 when they wouldn't let anybody into the trade. They just kept taking it up and up and up and up. Not to say it won't have some small pullbacks, but you can see that all the pullbacks have been to this 4 EMA and then bouncing off, 4 EMA, bouncing, right? So it's a very shallow pullback. And we've just been rolling GDX options up the hill, 50-cent increments at a time. I'm going to show you that tomorrow, how we do that. If you are registered for my free webinar, if not, hurry up and register. For sure, I'll be taking questions and going over some major things on how to trade using the Dark Pool app. So today, gold futures bullish above 14.39, bearish below 14.25. And oil futures, ooh, they're starting to move right now. Hold on, let me just bring this over. Oil futures right here, we're going to be bullish above 58.20. And we're going to be bearish if it goes below this pivot. Bearish below 57.25. Then I can see a move down. But you can see this really nice volume just came into the oil futures. Speaking of oil, Halliburton. Whoa, had a massive print yesterday, HAL. When we have these prints that have splashes, you don't have to jump on them right away. You can take your time, or you can put a strangle on going 4 weeks out. But I'm going to be bullish above 23. And I'm going to be bearish below 22. We have a 4.6 million print. American Airlines also mega 4 million print, 31.70. Going to be bullish above 32.37 and bearish below 31.50. Coca-Cola had a 1,000,000 share print. Now, Coca-Cola has been just ripping it up the hill. If I show you this weekly chart, this is so key. Yeah, I love this long term. It's a great dividend play. But we're at this, upper resistance. This is, are we going to break out or are we going to come down kind of moment? And we had a 1,000,000 share print yesterday at 52.01. So we're going to be bullish above 52.20. If we close strong above that print, above 52.20, this could be a major breakout. Or if it's selling at the top, look out for that. I'm going to be bearish below 51.60 for KO. Apple had a couple prints. One was canceled, but this one was not. 500,000, 199.67. We are below that print. If we break above 200, I'll be bullish again. I'm bearish below 197.48 today. GDX, this is my favorite. Just be careful if you're trading JNUG. That does do a reverse stock split, I believe, on Friday. Yeah, you kind of don't want to get caught in that. But GDX is definitely my favorite right now. Bullish above 26.50 if you're not in this already, right? That's going to be the next resistance level, 26.50. So if it breaks above that, that's bullish. However, we could retrace back down to this 4 EMA, right? So I'll be bearish below 25.87 just for a retracement trade. And you can see these exponential moving average and simple moving average right here. So if we break below that, again, a little retracement trade. I'm not going to be bearish, but it will be retracement. GLD had a 1,000,000 share print yesterday. Wow, that's pretty big. We don't get those too often. 132.83. And I did send out a push notification. Hope you jumped on this right after it started to move up. But today, if you're not in it, bullish above 135.50 and bearish below 134.25. Lennar had earnings. So we're going to be bullish above 54.50 and bearish below 53.50 for a retracement trade on Lennar. Volume is starting to kick in here. So those are your whispers. Until next time, happy trading. That's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.